time bound with thabak loiba ngamoidu oragadi don't take contract work law gunu angam mami da pisi angam mami da sanse
fish that flock. O Jelerong people, behold the sight of hundreds and thousands.
lambi ayamba NISDCL ki karigesi national highway akani concentrate office man kanguni but khongsang tamenglo lose ay honorable prime minister Modi ji ki level da Nitin Gadkari ji ki level da pukhala kanda the most important part masi si sumaina ongkat ragadi khongsang dari na tamenglo lakna hona da pungani hum sangamen it took 2 to 3 hours but now we can reach Tamenglong from Khongsang within 49 minutes 50 minutes. Ima market, Amatarati Anini size. One already inaugurated, one is still under construction. Yeah, Sidaina Kenoma Hiningi. Those who are willing to do contract work and those who are doing contract works, particularly in the far-flung hill areas, time-bound, Masayagi, Romegi, President Hagi, time-bound, don't take contract work. Law gunu, angam mami da pisi, angam mami da sanse. Madu natragadi ako'y development sangdhan mga moy. Kasi Tamenglong daw kani porokri 50 bedded hospital gi 100 bedded wongkat nabagi medical gi da tagi college gi da tawli pa. We just Astro Trap football 7 aside. Astro Trap football 7 aside already completed now. Football is sana ba ground. Dai long with that. Then amusement park 7 crore gini. Amusement park to I am the Hangotanda, it will be completed before the monsoon night. Otherwise, isasing and lansing, recreation, family, Loina, Aware. And that's Sumaina, Amakana, I mean, Mohorose, very important. As I don't make a Kanogi, Romagi now, President as a Palamada. Mohorose very important. Masi, she had. How matamda Guwahati se koi 6 to 7 hours we can reach to Guwahati. Koi jin Nagaland follow sa tayar. Nagaland follow sa tayar but Tamenglong di. Adu gini ngasai ahim na hebdo. Tamenglong is almost becoming the gateway of Manipur. Imphal dagi na Tamenglong tama matamda siki kangsub lambi se. Yeah, very
Fish that flock. O Jelerong people, behold the sight of hundreds and thousands. Proclaims, well, dance again. That's the meaning of the song.